Recipe time with exploring the food groups. Today we're going to make vegetables with pasta. But first, keep food safe and fight back. Clean, separate, cook, and chill. Clean. Clean your hands. Make sure you do it for 20 seconds. Get between those fingers, around those wrists, in those nails, and then dry and turn off the water. Clean. Remember to clean your surfaces before you make recipes in the kitchen. You can do this by making your own solution with 1/4 teaspoon of non-scented bleach and 2 cups of water. Clean. Remember to always run your produce under running water to clean it. Vegetables with pasta. Let's read our ingredients. 1 cup of uncooked macaroni. We're going to use whole grain. 1 16-ounce package of frozen mixed vegetables. I picked peas and carrots. 1 medium tomato chopped. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 1/3 cup fat-free Italian dressing. 1/4 cup chopped onion. 1/4 cup green pepper. 1/4 cup chopped cucumber. And you can see where there's optional. I decided not to use the onion or the green pepper. I've already cooked and drained my macaroni and my carrots and peas. Let's get started and mix our ingredients. Eating a variety of whole grains and colorful fruits and vegetables help prevent chronic disease. Stir well until all ingredients are blended. A serving size is 1/2 cup. Spoon it up and enjoy. You can find this recipe in Exploring the Food Groups, the 5th grade 4-H FNEP curriculum.